morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am Megha Shinde. I am going to teach you maths. So welcome to the first session of maths in class 7. In class 7, your first chapter is integers. So let's start with some definitions. Positive number. A number greater than 0 is called a positive number. Here you can see on number line all the numbers which are on right hand side of 0 are called positive numbers. Negative number. A number less than 0 is called a negative number. Here you can see all the numbers on number line which are on left hand side of 0 are called negative numbers. Integers. Integers are the combination of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. You can see all the negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. This set makes set of integers. The next definition is absolute value. Now, the absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of the integer regardless of its sign. The symbol mod is used to represent absolute value of an integer. Example is the absolute value of 7 is 7 and the absolute value of minus 13 is equal to 13. That is number itself excluding its sign. That is, if the number is positive then no change, and if the number is negative then the absolute value of the number will be positive. So the absolute value of an integer is its numerical value regardless of its sign. Now, rules of addition. There are some rules in integers for addition and subtraction. So let's start with the first rule, which is to add two positive integers, add them as whole numbers. If we want to add two positive integers, we will simply add as they are whole numbers. To add two negative integers, add the two numbers ignoring their minus sign and put minus sign to the result. If we want to add two negative integers, then we will add them and we will put a minus sign to the result. To add a positive and a negative integer, subtract the smaller number from the greater number, ignoring their sign, and put the sign of greater number to the result. That is, if we want to add two numbers, one of which is positive and the other is negative, then we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number and then we will put a sign of greater number to the result. Now, rules of subtraction. In subtraction, we change the sign of second number. That is, if second number is positive, then we subtract the second number from first, but if second number is negative, then we add second number to the first number, like this. In this example, you can see the first number 24 is positive, but this 5 is also positive. So we will subtract 5, that is a smaller number, from greater number. 24 minus 5 is equal to 19. But in this case you can see the second number is negative. So 24 minus 5. Now minus into minus is plus. So 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. So when the second number is negative, we will add this number to the first number. Now addition and subtraction using number line. When we add two integers, we move towards right of the integers on the number line. When we want to add something, then the result will come on right hand side of the number line. When we subtract two integers, we move towards left of the integers on the number line. That is, if we subtract, then we will move to the left side, and if we add, then we move to the right hand side of the integers on number line. Here are some examples to understand this concept clearly. One way to add integers with a number on number line is, here you can see 3 is with plus sign and 5 is with minus sign. So now here what we can do, on number line we move to 3 on right hand side because this 3 is positive. Then we have this minus 5. So we will move 5 steps on left hand side on this number line. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we move 5 steps behind, we will get answer as minus 2. Next example is, you have two numbers plus 6 and minus 4, and we want to add this number on number line. So what will we do? We will move 6 steps on right hand side because this 6 is positive. So we will move to the right side of 0. Now we will move 4 steps behind. When we move 4 steps behind, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. When we move 4 steps behind, because here we are subtract the numbers, so when we move 4 steps behind, we will get answer as 2, and this 2 will be positive because this 2 is on right hand side of 0. Now next example is 3 plus minus 7. Now 3 plus minus 7. First number is 3. So we have to move on right hand side of 0. So we will move 3 steps to the right side of 0. Now what we want to do? We want to subtract, because this is minus sign. Subtract 7. So we will move on left hand side to this 3, and how much steps? We will move 7 steps behind this 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we move 7 steps behind 3, we will get answer as minus 4. So 3 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 4. The next example is, first number is minus 3 and second number is plus 7. So in this case, first we will move to the left side of 0 because this is a negative number. So we will move 3 steps behind this 0. So you will get minus 3. Now the second number is plus 7. So we will move to the right side of minus 3. 7 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we move 7 steps on the right side of -3, we will get answer as 4. So this 4 is on right side of 0. So you will get answer as +4. Thank you.